Cold email marketing is a powerful strategy and a fairly common practice in business, one that is often confused with spam email, which is actually illegal in most cases. However, when executed correctly, targeted cold email campaigns can be highly effective in reaching ideal clients and customers. To clear up some confusion, let's get into the legalities of cold email marketing versus spam email and explore how you can send cold emails legally when marketing your premium product or offer to prospective clients. So what's the difference? A cold email is an unsolicited email sent to someone you haven't had prior contact with. It's personalized, relevant to the recipient, and provides value. Cold emails allow recipients to opt out of future emails and are legal when sent correctly. Spam emails, on the other hand, are sent in bulk, meaning many are being sent at once. They are not personalized and they're unsolicited, meaning the recipient did not request the information or consent to receive the email. Spam emails often end up in the spam or junk folder and are illegal in most jurisdictions. Meanwhile, sending cold emails for marketing purposes is legal in most jurisdictions. It's crucial, though, to differentiate between cold email and spam to avoid legal issues. Most countries around the world have introduced anti-spam laws, such as the United States Can-Spam Act of 2003, to protect consumers and prevent people from sending spam email. Cold email is legal in the United States. However, you must comply with the Can-Spam Act, which requires accurate header information as far as who the email is coming from exactly, non-deceptive subject lines, a valid physical address included in the email, as well as a clear opt-out mechanism or way for subscribers to unsubscribe from future marketing emails. Here are a couple of tips for sending cold emails legally. Only send cold emails to relevant business email addresses. The individuals or companies should be ones that you have intentionally selected as a prospect. Who is someone likely to be interested in what you are selling? Do not cold email personal email addresses. Make it easy for your recipients to opt out of future emails and ensure appropriate data security and delete data of opted out recipients. And finally, don't use misleading subject lines. Always aim to be both relevant and transparent. Remember that respecting the privacy and preferences of your recipients is key to maintaining a positive reputation and avoiding legal issues. It's worth mentioning too that while not everyone may respond to your emails, persistence and targeted outreach can lead to valuable connections and business opportunities for you. Stay informed, stay compliant, and best of luck with your cold email marketing campaigns. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up if you're watching on YouTube, or leave us a review if you're listening to this in podcast form. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with a friend or client you care about. And I'll see you in the next episode.